Alright guys, what's going on? It is Tuesday, August 11th. We're gonna get the stream started for you guys. So yes, give me a second. I want to see if you guys are actually, seeing this. Okay, cool. Alright, so right now we're looking at something that I really like on EJ. I was looking at this yesterday. I was doing my markups yesterday, and I really should have been trading EJ yesterday instead of GA. I think EG on the intro time frame had way more probabilities. Higher time frames, GA was like the winner, but I think EJ was definitely, I could have done a better job at trying to trade EG. So we're looking at that right now. I gotta go over my watch list again because I have not gone over it from yesterday fully, all of them. But currently, right now, I like how EG is coming off the daily pivot as well as the 200 EMA. It is a swapping liquid 50, so that is, a something that's going to be bad. But from this, we have a big range on EA. We could see a D1 off the daily pivot right over here. So that makes sense to me. Let's look at the 1 minute real quick. All right. Yeah, yes, there's some divergence right over here. Okay, well, I gotta do the little top time frame analysis real quick on this because I won't have enough time because we have a boot camp in about an hour. It's starting right now, but I'm gonna be going there. So we're forming like kind of like a double top right over here off the 200 EMA. So I want to see what that does specifically. I gotta also like keep an eye on EG, make sure that I'm not missing anything. So 1 hour, let's see the 1 hour. 1 hour EMAs are shit. Short-term EMAs are bearish. This is B. 4 hour EMAs are bearish. To be honest, not really bearish. They're just really shitty. We're looking at the 800 EMA. That's mostly that I'm looking at. Liquid 50 up in the buy zone. One daily. Let's look at the one daily. Bearish. EMAs are bullish or bearish. Looks like bullish to me. Yeah. So we'll put around, what is it? So we're gonna go to the 15 minute. So not even the 1 hour is a good setup. So 1 hour I probably do be set up. 1 hour. What's up, Ash? Is that correct? Let me check the one daily real quick. Yeah. This is a BBC. Alright. So higher time frame's better. GA, nothing interesting there. I won't bother. GF, could see a D1 off the pivot, but looks very kind of choppy there. EU, I was kind of a bullish on it. Nothing there though. So I'm gonna look at EG because as euro pairs go up, we could see euro pairs maybe finding some weakness on the DXY. So EG doesn't have any weakness right now. There's divergence, but I don't see any weakness, so I won't try to do anything on that. Nasdaq, we have some kind of, you know, we're bullish today on Nasdaq today, so we'll see what we do here. All right, so now that I have more time on my hands, let's see. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it do its thing, whatever it wants to do. EN, I was looking at yesterday, just bullish. Looks like, you know, euro pairs are pushing up today. Are we gonna see any weakness? I don't think so. Which could be a bad sign on EG if I'm trying to short it. GE, they're just swapping liquid 50. I mean, there's nothing really there that I want to see or trade, just because of how choppy it is. But I don't know. Looks okay. I just wouldn't personally trade that. EA. Let's see what we'll have in EA. Yeah, pushing up as well as EG. At least the EG has kind of like the daily pivot in hand and the 800 EMA. EG has a lot of room to go up, especially has room to ADR. So I'm not inclined to short it, to be honest. I know yesterday we had a big move all the way down. So looking at levels, maybe we could see some kind of support at this level. Kind of a divergence zone from right over here. Maybe that price could be struggling at. It hasn't fully closed above that, so you know, we could see some kind of rejection off, you know, the 2 minutes or something like that. If it closes above that, then yeah, it's more of a sign of a, you know, kind of a bullish sentiment on it. EA could be better if I'm trying to short it, but you know, I like how the liquid 50 is much more below in the buy zone than EG. EG higher time frames are much better. I prefer trading stuff that have higher time frames probabilities. GCAD, I don't think that was in my watch list, was it? No, because of the 800 EMA. ECAD. We had some bullish divergence, so nothing really nice. I mean, we are bullish on EuroCAD, so kind of like more of a swing trade idea if I want to take it long, but not really trying to take it long today. Just want a high probable setup today. EG, I was looking at for longs. We have like a BBC setup on the higher time frames. GU. Yeah, it's been pushing up basically the whole day. I mean, like most of the day. GJ. Let's see what we have here. So EG we have, GJ we have, we're bullish on it today. But there's no confirmation of it coming down. Maybe later on the day. I really like GJ. If I'm trying to take something long today, it's probably going to be GJ. Number one, it's one of my favorite pairs. Number two, the higher time frames are really good. It looks good today. So if you see a pullback toward the 50, we can try taking it long. Yeah. We have a C on one daily. No, we don't. So it's an AAB. So GJ is much better than GJ. UJ. We got some divergence here. Not my favorite long today, but it is an idea. So you could see an idea if there's some divergence forming right over here. Close above that. We could expect some kind of longs on that. If we see some weakness, UJ, if we expect it to have longs, let's see. There is some divergence on it, so from price action falling to the R side rising, right over here. Alrighty, like from right over here. So, from the zone right over here they have, and then pulls back up, breaks the 50 finally. So the divergence has set, and then makes kind of a higher low. Not a higher low, kind of like a insignificant higher low because it fails to break, but this may break the 50, so that'll make it a significant higher low. So I would call this a significant higher low after it closes above the 50, which is a good sign. I could have taken it long if I wanted to, but not really. Look at 50s up in the buy zone, just trying to hold the buy zone. It's a good confirmation. We could have our stop from right over here. Closes above the 200 EMA. I want to see what the 50-minute is doing. RSI is trying to pull through the TL. Is it a good setup? Not really. 1 hour BBC could be much better. At least it's not an ABC, so I could definitely try doing something. Is there enough risk to reward to take it all the way up? Yes, there is. But I will want to see more confirmations in my end. And I want some momentum in my end as well. Alrighty, so there's 50-minute divergence. I don't know. If you guys have not checked out my new video on YouTube, I highly recommend you guys checking that out. We got another video coming out today. I'm actually going to try posting it today in the morning. if I have time during the boot camp. So I don't like how price made a lower high from right over here. That's why I wanted more confluence in it. Liquid 50 looks like it's just struggling to get above, clearly above the buy zone, which is something I don't want to see. 50-minute. We do have a liquid 50 that's falling. It's trying to hook up. Could be a good sign. The RSI tried to hook up against TL, but it completely failed. So we'll see. We'll see what we do here. Yeah, if we see a D1, a clean D1 on that, on EA, I would prefer taking EA than anything else. Because number one, there's no swapping liquid 50, and I hate trading swapping liquid 50s. Yeah, the high time frames on EG is much better, but you know that kind of balances itself out from the swapping liquid 50. And as well as we're at the high of the Asian range, so there's definitely enough risk reward to take it all the way down. But again, the 50 is in the way. But is there enough risk reward toward the 50? Most likely. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. And you know, can have some confluence on that as well. Can have confluence of as Euro pairs basically start reversing, so will EG and EA. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. I mean, to be honest, I would prefer 100% EA, but I think on EA, we're probably going to see swapping liquid 50 on later on the day, just because of how clearly it's rising, and there's not showing any weakness, even though price is falling right now. There's not any weakness that's coming out right now. So for me, I would not try. I know that we're probably going to see swapping liquid 50 now. On hindsight, right now, no swapping liquid 50. So in hindsight, why would I pick if there's what pairs would I pick? Obviously, a pair that hasn't a swap doesn't have a swapping liquid 50. So I would pick EA over EG at the current moment, just because there's no swapping liquid 50. Now, could I take short? Like, which one is a better short on the 1 minute? To be honest, to me, it looks like EG looks like a better 1 minute entry, but we'll see. Liquid 50 is still up in the buy zone really high right over here. EG looks like it's trying to fall right now. EG is showing some kind of momentum toward the downside. We could see. All right, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Not to call anything really off. I want confirmation. I want structure. Looks like, EJ is retesting this level right over here. But it's trying to reject out the same level, which is clearly not a good sign. And Liquid 50 went back in the sell zone, which is clearly something you don't want to see. 15-minute RSI is falling. TL is falling. Liquid 50 is falling. RSI is trying to get back up. I don't know. It's something I don't personally like. Yeah, nothing I like at the current moment. So EG, you're seeing some kind of, let's see, some weakness. EA, looks like we just pulled back from that level. We'll see what we do here. EG doesn't show like it's doing a pullback. I want to see what the 15 minutes is doing. So EG is showing weakness, choppiness, weakness, but EA basically isn't, not showing that much weakness. I was thinking maybe doing a vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, correct? Yes. So, thinking of doing a vlog maybe. Maybe Thursday, before my birthday. For me, right now in EA, I am seeing some weakness from the buyers and sellers. You can clearly tell that there's some weakness there. So we'll see. We'll see what we do here. I wanted for it to close below the 50 before I can count it as a lower high, as a significant lower high. So we'll see what we do here. Also, guys, leave a like as well. We would really appreciate it. Let's see if it closes below the 50. Let's go. Let's go. It's all about the process. "19 seconds before it closes below the 50. Then it'll kind of has a significant lower high. And it failed completely to close below that. Where's that? Just fix it. Also, guys, any of you AceFX members or non-AceFX members, coaching package will be going away this week. It will be the last week. Again, I won't be doing something like this ever again. The price will be going up for my one-on-one calls. I won't be doing like a coaching package ever again. So if you guys want to jump into it, I would recommend highly to, just check it out. If you have any questions, DM me. I can work out, refunds if you really want a refund. And yeah, just take a look at it because it's going away this week. And my price will be going up. My rates will stay the same if you guys purchase the coaching package, so you guys get the same rate as with the calls. But if you guys don't get the coaching package, then You know, my rates will be going up for, you know, the one-on-one calls. Each is pulling back. See if it closes below this time. Let's see what else do we have here. We kind of have a matrix zone right over here. Just, the pivots have been the same on this level for the past couple of days, which is something you definitely want to see. So I call this really strong resistance. I mean support, as well as in the past. It's been kind of, you know, strong kind of a support right over here. But it hasn't been to this level that it's been kind of holding. Oh my god. GJ is pushing up toward that divergence zone. G is pushing up. UJ is basically trying to fall down, which is expected with this falling liquid 50 and TL. EG, it's doing its own thing. EA, it's trying to fall below. A lot of choppiness. Looks like it's trying to close above, but it's really choppy. But from what I see right over here, I see that the liquid 50 is falling. That's something to keep in mind. So we're really choppy right now, but I think we're gonna see a breakout with this kind or soon. So we'll keep an eye on that. Yeah, that's Euro JVP. I mean Euro AUD. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see it setting up. I like how it's falling. Liquid 50. I like how it's trying to form kind of a TL, not a TL, a lower high. So we'll see. We'll see. Currently, I'm looking at EA and EG. Nothing else is presenting for me. This is part of the waiting game here. You just have to wait for the right setup to present. That's part of trading. You gotta wait and wait and wait. So yeah. Let's see on the 15 minute. What do we have on the 15 minute? We got the RSI trying to go through TL, which is a good sign. Mm-mm-mm. A range of choppiness. I think we might see a potential setup for EA and EG. Maybe GJ later in the day. I like how the liquid 50 is still falling. today is the 11th, right? Or 12th? 11th. EJ just basically flew through the roof. We'll see, we'll see. We'll see what we do here. Let's see. We're still waiting on this. It's gonna take some time because that's normally how trades go. Bum, 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 bum. Liquid 50 is still falling. That told you something. EG, Liquid 50 is still falling. Looks like EA, EG. We could see it pop into the sell zone. I want to see what the Liquid 50 on the 50-minute is doing. Looks like it's just basically still going up with that big rocket ship of a thing. EA, as price is trying to struggle up. I don't know. In hindsight, I know that, probably on time of the intro, we're probably going to see a swapping Liquid 50. Because whenever, even though price is falling and there's divergence, bearish divergence, it still takes some time for it to fall down. So as it takes time to fall down, the Liquid 50 goes closer and closer to the sentiment 50 and then to the buy zone. So probably we could see a swapping Liquid 50 before entry. I wonder why is my internet slow. Where's the trading view? It's probably trading view. GJ just pushing up even more. GU doing his thing. UJ basically trying to do his thing. So it eventually does go up. Sort of right over here. You could have entered like right about. Let's just say you could have entered like right over here, right over here. But it looks like it's rejecting off that level that I had set. Which is really important. Why you should have levels. I mean, this reason why I trade off levels, or I mark up levels. I mean, but you would have made 1.5 R actually. Yeah, about 1.5 R. It's BBC setup, so it can be so much better. But the R size through TL. TL looks like it's hooking up. Liquid 50 looks like it's hooking up. So we'll see what we do in the 1 minute here. Let's mark this up. EG looks like it pinned that divergence zone. Looks like it's going up. EA. EA looks like it's not, and that could be, why, the difference between a swap in liquid 50 and a liquid 50 being still in the sell zone. But we'll see. So this would be the retest right over here. This would be kind of a higher low here. So this would be the retest of the 15 as well as the higher low. Am I sad that, I didn't take this trade? Absolutely not. I'm just sticking to the most high probable setups for today. Definitely makes sense, It's off the 50. We got like a BBC, kind of a higher time frame analysis going on. So we'll see what we do here. Of course, there's enough risk reward to take it all the way up. I didn't see that in there. On the entry, the liquid 50 was not in the buy zone either. So Looks like it was pushing up on EJ. What we have here. So, yeah, looks like it's pushing up about almost 2R right now. It's nice. It's a nice retest of the higher low right there. I like that. Um, but yeah, let's look at your AED. Looks like it's falling now. E Euro JVP literally just pushed all the way up, which is interesting as we see some weakness on Euro AED. Now we just broke the 50. Now we have about 1 second. Now we have a significant higher low as it continues to push up, and the liquid 50 is falling, and the TL is falling as well. So confirmation there. I could get in a little bit early if I wanted to, right over here. But the reason why I'm choosing not to is, I'm looking at this level. Okay, I got in a little bit early. I got into a basically a small entry, and then I'll add in later. But yeah, I'm gonna call it because I have to go into the boot camp for the AceFX boot camp. Gonna be out with them and tell them my ideas, and as well as share with them my trade ideas that I had today. So yeah, I'm gonna add into this trade once I see more confirmation. But yeah, currently looking at Euro AUD and Euro GBP. I'm probably gonna lock this small size into profit. Because I'm already out 0.2 R in profit already. So yeah, I add in about less than 0.5%. Now like 0.30, 0.35, or 0.40%. So really small risk. Your GBP it's falling too, so we'll look at this. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for attending the stream. I know it's gonna be a short one just because we have the bootcamp going on in AceFX. But anyways, so if you guys have any questions or anything like that, please let me know. As well as the coaching package, check that out. We have that coaching package that's going to be literally going away this week. It's going to be an awesome opportunity for you guys to learn more stuff about me, to learn about the consistency of an everyday trader, to learn about the systems that I trade, to learn about the psychology, the trading, trading journaling, how I do my markups on a daily basis, because all of this is really important to become a profitable and consistent trader. And if you're in AceFX currently at the moment and you're struggling and you're wanting some questions and you're wanting to cut your learning curve in half, I would highly recommend this package. It's a refund. You don't have to literally, if you are skeptical about it, I offer a refund to everyone on each call. So again, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow 5 a.m. CST. And yeah, I'll check in my Instagram, see how this trade goes, because we're in profit right now. So I'm expecting your JP to go down today. But yeah, hopefully you guys are having an awesome freaking Tuesday, start of the Tuesday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 5 a.m. CST. So let's